Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Love and this is Budget with Love. I go over my weekly income and I kind of show you how I break everything down. So for June 30th, my husband brought home $1,212.60. I brought home nothing. We had $175.58 rolled over. That gave us a total of $1,388.18. Pandora for $9.99 is automatically deducted from our account. Verizon Fios $242. Our envelopes include grocery, gas, babe, my allowance, my lunch, my husband's allowance, and his lunch. Here's our sinking funds. The extra debt that we're going to be making is to my credit card for $20 and my husband's student loan one for $20. And then we put $500 towards our mortgage. So we're going to go ahead and get started on this cash stuffing. So as always, we start with the wallet. So nothing's going to go into mine for allowance. For gas, we're going to pull out this 20. We're going to add 20. For vape, we are going to add 40. So currently at vape, we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 90, 95, 96, 97. When this gets to 100, I pull out the extra and I'll put it where we need it. Currently I have my car maintenance in here because I had to get my car worked on. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull that out of my wallet. We're going to be putting this 20 from our gas into here. And now we got 20, 40, 41, 42 in our car maintenance. Set this off to the side. That's going to be it for my wallet. In our home maintenance is getting $10. So now we're at 2, 4, 6, 8, 90, 91, 92. When this gets about 100, I want to say 105, this is going to be removed and it's going to go towards a bill, so I can start eliminating some of these receipts that I did before, and then hopefully we can start stocking this up once all the receipts are paid off. Nothing goes into medical. Yard work, we have 33 going in here. Got 20. Oh, hang on. Home maintenance got $10. 2, 4, 6, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Okay, that's where that needs to be at. So now I can pay my lawn care. That is going to be it for this wallet. And then we go into our holiday wallet. Actually, this needs to go into my home wallet. I paid for my tags and registration, and I got one of the cars fixed. So now we gotta get a few more things fixed on it, and then we can get it inspected. Household birthdays, I'm gonna be putting 20 into mine. So it's 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. My birthday is Sunday. So this is only $10 shy of what we usually put it in, so I'm pretty happy about this. Close that up. 4th of July is getting 15. $10, $15, $20, $25, and I was supposed to have 30 in here, but 25 will actually work just fine in case I need to get like hot dogs, hamburgers, Cedra ice to celebrate 4th of July. So this is plenty for 4th of July. So we're good on that. And that is going to be it for my cash stuffing, guys. We have very basic cash stuffings right now because between like April and August, it's very slow for my husband and I. And then at August, things start picking up for both of us and we do bring home more money. So during this time, we don't cash stuff nowhere near as much. But in August, we do cash stuff a lot more. Right now, I'm just trying to get to the minimum so that I'm able to pay things and not really trying to save so much ahead for right now. But eventually, I will be putting a bunch more money towards paying ahead. I know that I do gotta do something different next month. So with all that being said, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.